Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on substitution. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. You will have an opportunity to subscribe to my channel at the end of the video. You are also invited to share this video with your friends. Thank you in anticipation. Substitution. It is very important to be able to evaluate expressions by substituting given values into them. Such values can be integers, fractions, decimals, powers, numbers involving surds, etc. The expressions themselves can assume any allowable format. Example 1. Find the exact value of t squared minus 2t when t equals 3 the square root of 5 plus 4. Now substituting into the given expression we have 3 the square root of 5 plus 4, because that's the value of t, and we square it because it's t squared, minus 2 times t, which is 3 times the square root of 5 plus 4. Now, when we square this expression here, if you remember from an earlier video, it's the first squared plus twice their product plus the second squared. So 3 the square root of 5 all squared is 45. 4 times 3 the square root of 5 times 2, because it's twice their product, that gives us 24 the square root of 5. And the second term squared, 4 squared is 16. Minus 2 outside of t, so 2 3s are 6, so that's minus 6 the square root of 5, which is there. And minus 2 by plus 4 is minus 8, which is there. Collecting the like terms, 24 the square root of 5 minus 6 the square root of 5 is 18 the square root of 5. 45 plus 16 is 61. 61 minus 8 is 53. So it's 18 the square root of 5 plus 53, and that's the answer. Find the exact value of a squared b over c squared. A is 3 over 4 all squared. B is 2 over 3 all squared. And c is 2 over 5 all squared. So let's simplify each of these values here. So a is really 9 on 16. See, that's 3 over 4 all squared. B is really 4 over 9, which is 2 over 3 all squared. And c is 4 over 25, which is 2 over 5 all squared. So I've repeated those values here that we've just worked out. And this was the expression we were given originally. So let's substitute each of these fractions in and see how we go. So a was 9 over 16, so it's 9 over 16 all squared. Of course it's a squared. B was 4 over 9, so there it is there. And c squared is 4 over 25 all squared. Now, 9 over 16 all squared is 81 over 256. There's our 4 over 9. And 4 over 25 all squared is 16 over 625. So from here to here, all we do is invert this fraction and multiply, because when you divide by a fraction, you turn it upside down. That is, you find the reciprocal of it and you multiply. So that's what we've done here. Now we've just done some cancelling here. 9 into 9 goes once. 9 into 81 goes 9. 4 into 4 goes once. 4 into 16 goes 4. 9 times 625 is 5,625. 4 times 256 is 1024. So the final answer is 5 and 505 over 1024. The formula V equals pi r squared h is used to find the volume of a cylinder. Find the exact value of h when V equals 10 and r equals 2. Since we have to find h, let us make it the subject. So we just divide both sides by pi r squared, so h equals V over pi r squared. So h equals 10 over pi times 2 squared, so it's 10 over 4 pi, so 5 over 2 pi is the answer. Now that has to be the answer, 5 over 2 pi, because you have to find the exact value. That's why we have to leave it in that format. Given s equals ut plus 0.5 at squared, find u when s equals 204, t equals 6 and a equals 10. So just substituting straight into the formula. 204 equals 6u plus 0.5 times 10 times 6 squared. So 204 equals 6u plus, now 0.5 by 10 is 5, 6 squared is 36. So that's 204 equals 6u plus 180. Subtracting 180 from both sides, 6u is 24. So 4 equals u, which means u equals 4. Here's a quick quiz to help you, and please check through the video at any time. What is the meaning of the following? This is the answer to the puzzle. Just between you and me. I think you can see that quite easily. Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and the video is at your disposal. If you found this video useful, please subscribe on the next slide. You will receive a notification when the next video is available. Please share with your friends. Hope to see you next lesson.